Hello, guys. Hello. Anyone's here? Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello, I'm
Miss-
very... Yes, yes. Hi. Okay, I want you to turn off your videos, please, and mute yourselves. Thank you. I'm very
Yes.
sorry I'm late.
Yes.
I had a problem with my connection. Very sorry.
Ask your question. Finally.
Let's turn off your video.
Yeah, Miss, can I ask you a question?
Okay. Just
Is
turn off.
the activity that you put on Moodle or Google Classroom how to make a magnet? Is it the project or just an activity?
It's just an activity. This is not your project.
Okay.
Okay, turn off your video, please.
Miss, what's the project?
We will be announcing the project next week, inshallah. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, so at the beginning I want to take the attendance. So I'm going to check your names, guys. There's something wrong with this. Okay, do you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Do you hear me well? Okay. I'm going to call your names and see who's here and who's not. Okay. Whoever is here, please just unmute your mic, say I'm here or yes, and then mute it again. Okay.
Miss, I'll raise my hand.
Well, because I'm not sharing the screen right now, so I'm not going to see you. I want you to unmute your mic. Okay. Jaden. Jaden, you're here? Guys, please unmute when I call someone's name. Unmute your mic and then say you're here or not, okay? Jaden, you're here? No, okay. Ruqayya?
Yes.
Yes. Yasin Ahmed? Yasin Ahmed. Okay. Rinad Amr. Rinad, are you here? Rinad, dear. Apparently, Rinad is not here. Esser? Esser, are you here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, great. Habiba?
Yes.
Fairuz? Fairuz, I saw you, dear. You're here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Omar Hisham.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Hana Hussein.
Yes.
Very good. Marwan Islam.
Here.
Karma Karim.
Yes.
Ahmed Marwan.
Yes.
Hana Muhammad.
Yes.
Sidra.
Yes.
Yasin Muhammad. Yasin Muhammad. Okay. Yusuf Mohsen.
Yes. Miss, I'm here.
Who's you?
Yasin.
Yasin Muhammad. Okay. Omar Samer. Omar Samer. Okay. Ruby. Ruby, are you
Yes,
here?
Yasin is here.
Yeah, okay. Ruby. Ruby's not here. Maya?
Yes.
Yes. Muhammad Wael?
Yes.
Okay. So now Jaden, did you join us? No. Yasin Ahmed, did you join us? No. Rined, did you join us?
Yasin Ahmed is joined.
Yasin Ahmed.
He joined.
He joined. He's okay. If you join, please unmute your mic and say yes. You're here, Yasin? Okay. Rined, did you join? No. Omar Samer and Ruby. Okay. We're going to start now with our lesson, guys. So we are done with the magnetism lesson, and we are going to start answering some of the classwork found in your book. So this is for year 5. So do you see the screen or not?
Miss, I can't see it.
You cannot
Can't see it, Miss.
Okay.
Nope.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Miss, I cannot see it.
Okay. It's going to be fixed right
On
now.
me.
I am fixing it right now.
Now I can see
Okay,
it.
now
I
you
can
can
see
see.
it.
Okay, very good.
I can
So-
see it, Miss.
Okay. We're going to start with some classwork, but first we're going to answer the homework that I gave you. Okay, so the homework was page 83. Can all of you see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're
Yes.
going to, very good. Draw a line to match each description to the correct pictures. So I'm going to, I want you to raise your hand if you know the answer of the first one. I'm going to pick up names and yes. So Hannah, yes, Hannah Hussein. Read the first one,
The
dear.
first one, inside this building is an extremely big magnet that helps to make electricity. It's power station.
Power station, very good. So inside the power station, there are very huge magnets that somehow they turn, and you will be learning about this more in year 6. It turns the magnetic force into electric force, and this is how they produce electricity. Now let's do the next one. Who will do the next one? Let's take Muhammad Wael. Yes, Muhammad.
Inside this device, electricity makes a tiny magnet vibrate between brackets, shake.
Huh?
The vibration creates sound.
Okay.
Speakers.
Very good. Speakers, and the speakers are also, there are magnets inside the speakers that will magnify any sound that comes out of those speakers. Okay, like who will do the next one? Let's take a girl. Okay, Habiba, you can do this.
Inside this tube is an electric motor. Motors use electricity to make magnets that spin around very quickly. Electric drill.
Yes, electric drill. So this is another application for turning the electric force or the electric power into a magnetic power that will make the drill move quickly. Okay, the last one I will do it. Please, whoever, yes, mute your mic. Mute your mic. This machine uses an electric motor to spin the washing. So I think it's very obvious that this is the washing machine. We're going now to go with our some classwork. We're going to do with some classwork.
Miss.
Who's this? Okay. So the next page, if you have your resource pack, I want you to open page 86, please. If you don't have it, I want you to grab a piece of paper or a copybook or whatever and write down with us what we're going to do.
I'm gonna go get it, miss.
Okay. Okay, guys, so this is page 86. It says the diagram below shows 3 trolleys. Peter put a bar magnet on each trolley. He pushed trolleys A, B, and C together. Magnet B attracted magnet A, and magnet B repelled magnet C. Okay? The only magnet that we know is the direction of the poles is magnet B. But with the information that he gave us, we can actually know what are the poles facing the other poles, okay? On the diagram above, label the north and south poles of magnets A and C. Use the letters N and S. So at the beginning, I want someone to tell me what pole is facing the north pole of magnet B in magnet A. In magnet A, which pole is facing the north pole in magnet B? Whoever knows, please raise your hand. Yes, Karma.
In magnet A, it's S.
Yes. Why did you choose S, ya Karma?
Because they're not similar poles.
So they will be?
They will attract.
Yes,
they
will pull each other, or they will be attracted to each other. So this side is supposed to be the south side because it's facing the north side, and this is how they are going to be attracted. What about the other side? Whoever knows, please raise your hand. Muhammad Wael, turn off your video. Thank you. Yes, Omar Hisham. Omar Hisham, I want you to tell me. What?
The other side will be N.
Which side? The other side here, right?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
I want you to tell me this one.
Oh, this will be. It will be S.
It will be south or S, yes, because what happened?
Because
they what?
they are like, so they will repel.
Yes, they are likes, so they will repel. Thank you very much, Omar. So according to this, we can know the other pole. So this is going to be the North Pole, and this is going to be the North Pole in magnet C. Now let's do the next one. Peter turned trolley B around. So trolley B, he turned it around. If you can see, guys, this point is now right here, and the south pole is in the other side, and the north pole is in the other side. While A and C magnets are still the same, he did not change. So this means that I'm going to write right here. So this means that trolley A is as it is. So this means that the south pole in A is right here, and the south pole in C is right here. Okay, now let's do the question. What would happen now?
Miss,
Yes,
miss,
who's this?
Page?
Page 86, dear. It's written right here. Okay. Use either attract or repel to complete each sentence below. Fayrouz, I want you to do the first one, please. Fayrouz? Fayrouz, are you here, dear? Is she went out or what? Huh? طيب. Ruqayya, I want you to do it, please.
It says the first one, this one right there.
Yes, magnet B, would.
Magnet A, it would repel.
So magnet B would repel. Very good. Magnet A. Why, Ruqayya, did you choose repel?
Because they're the same.
Yes, the same poles are facing each other, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much, Ruqayya. The next one, Hannah Muhammad, I want you to do the next one, please.
Attract.
Yes, so the next one will attract. Very good. Why, Hannah, will they attract?
Because they have opposite poles.
Yes, because they have opposite poles. Very good. The next one is page 87. It says, I'm going just to erase those words, okay. It says, Peter held two trolleys close together and then let go. The magnets repelled each other. Draw an arrow on both magnets to show which way they would move. So I want Ahmed Marwan. Ahmed Marwan, please answer this question. I want you to tell me, how should I draw the arrows on those two trolleys? Ahmed, do you hear me, dear?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, honey. So they're supposed to be repelling each other. Those two magnets, they are supposed to be repelling each other. So I want you to tell me the direction of the arrows I should draw on those trolleys.
The trolley on the left will go to the left.
Yes.
And the right to the right.
Very good. So the trolley on the left will go to the left and that on the right will go to the right. Very good. So this is the right directions, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Ahmed. Next is Maya. I want you to answer the next one. Peter took a magnet, a steel bar, and an aluminum bar. He puts them on three trolleys as shown below. So this is a magnet, this is an aluminum bar, and this is a steel bar. The question says, Maya, what happens to the steel bar as he moves it closer to the magnet?
The steel bar will attract to the magnet.
Yes, very good. The steel bar, because it is a magnetic material, will be attracted to the magnet. Thank you very much, Maya. The next one. What happens to the aluminum bar as he moves it closer to the magnet? I am going to take... Fayrouz joined back. Fayrouz. Fayrouz? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, dear. I kept calling for you before, but I think you were disconnected.
My computer was
Disconnected.
closing.
Yes, I know.
No, it was closing.
It's okay. I want you to answer this question. What happens to the aluminum bar as he moves it closer to the magnet? I want you to remember, is the aluminum bar A magnetic material or a non-magnetic material?
Non-magnetic.
Very good. So what will happen when we move the magnet closer to it?
It will repel.
No, it will not repel or attract. So this means that what will happen? Nothing, right?
Yeah,
So
it's just
not-
yeah, because the aluminum bar is not not magnet.
It's not magnetic. Yes, very good. So this is why it's not a magnetic material. So this is why nothing will happen with the aluminum bar. Okay. I want you guys to lower your hands, and if so far anyone has a question, please raise your hand. Okay, all of you guys, lower your hand. If you only have a question, raise your hand. Okay. Muhammad Wael, do you have a question?
No.
Okay.
I'm just answering, so I.
Okay. Thank you, Muhammad. So the next, Hannah Muhammad, do you have a question?
Yes.
Yes, dear.
Miss, will we have a quiz
Next week, inshallah.
about magnets?
About magnets and heat.
Okay.
Okay. I will be posting today at night, inshallah, the things that will be in the quiz. Habiba, yes, Habiba. Habiba?
Miss, when will you tell us the project?
We will make a specific video. I will be telling you everything about the project, so I don't want you to worry about it. It will be posted next week, يعني, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
An explanation video of everything I want from you in the project. It's going to be an easy one, inshallah, يعني, don't worry. Whose Galaxy S7 Edge?
Acer.
Acer.
Yes, Acer.
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 Acer. I didn't answer.
Okay, I will let you answer. We still have a classwork coming, okay? So this is page 90. So Esther is going to answer the first one. It says, Hannah has 3 rods, A, B, and C, made from different metals. One rod is a magnet, one is made of copper, and one is made of iron. So we have 3 here, 3 rods. They did not specify which one is the magnet, which one is the copper, and which one is the iron. She does not know which rod is which, okay? Each rod has a dot at one end. As you can see, they added a dot at one end. Hannah uses only a bar magnet to identify each rod. She puts each pole of the bar magnet next to the dotted end of each rod. Complete Hannah's observations in the table below. Write if each rod is copper, iron, or a magnet. So, Acer, I want you to answer the first one. So it says here that when she put rod A to the north side or the south side of the bar magnet, both of them attracted the rod A. So that will make rod A what? Come on, Esther, answer the question.
Page.
Hey.
Which page, miss?
Page 90, dear, page 90.
Okay.
Okay. Esther? Esther?
Yeah.
Yes. So rod A is what? It got attracted to both sides of magnet.
Miss, I don't understand.
Okay, now we have 3 rods, Asir, okay? Rod A, rod B, and rod C. One of them is supposed to be a magnet, and one of them is a copper, and one of them is an iron, okay? So what she did is she brought a magnet and she started to stick the 3 rods to the magnet to see how will they react against the magnet. Okay? Do you understand till now? Yes, sir. Do you understand, dear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so when she approached rod A to the both sides, whether it's the north or the south, it got attracted. So this means that rod A is the magnet or the copper or the iron.
The magnet.
It
The
got
magnet.
attracted. No, it's not the magnet, because the magnet will be repelled to one of those sides, right?
Oh yes.
It will be attracted to one of them and repelled to the other. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So this means that rod A is what? It's a magnetic material. It will be attracted anyway, whether it's the north or the south pole.
Copper. Copper.
Copper is a magnetic material.
Miss,
Okay.
I still don't understand.
Oh, okay. I will let you do the next one, okay? Now, Ruqayya, I want you to answer this one.
It's going to be iron.
Yes, it's going to be iron, okay? I will just explain for Asir quickly. Asir, rod A is going to be an iron because we know that the magnetic materials are iron, cobalt, nickel, and steel, right? I want you to unmute your mic and tell me if you understand.
Yeah, now
Yes.
I understand.
Okay, the metals that gets attracted to the magnets are iron, cobalt, nickel, and steel. Okay, so now rod A got attracted to the magnet, whether it's the north or the south, it doesn't matter. The magnetic metal gets attracted to any side of the magnet. Okay, so this will make rod A the iron rod. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. I want you to do the next one. Rod B, when it is approached to the magnet, the north side of the magnet, nothing happened. So this means that it did not repel and it did not attract.
It's a copper.
Okay. Very good. So even if I got the rod B to the south pole of the magnet, will anything happen?
No.
So nothing will happen here again, and this will make rod B the copper. Thank you very much, Esther. Okay. Now I'm going to take, I can see only 3 of you raising their hands, Habiba and Ruqay. None of you are raising, you don't understand? Hey, Sidra. Yes, Sidra.
It's magnet.
Yes, it is magnet. And Omar, I want you to tell me, so if rod C is a magnet, she said it. So what will happen to rod C when it will be approaching the south side of the magnet?
Attract. Repel.
Yes, it will repel because this side got attract, so the other side will repel. So this will repel and rod C will be the magnet. I want you to lower your hands, all of you guys, and if anyone doesn't understand this exercise, I want you to raise your hand so that I can re-explain it for you. Yes, Muhammad Wael. You don't understand?
No, I wanted to answer.
You wanted to answer. Type. Karma.
Miss, I understand all of it except the second question. How did we know nothing happened?
Okay, I will take your question and I will take Fairuz's question and then I will tell you the answer. Hi, Fairuz.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, dear. Fairuz. Fairuz.
Miss, it was the same as Karma's. Also, I can
Okay.
understand the first one and the last one except the second.
Okay, okay. So now, guys, we know that there are magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials, right? We said that the magnetic materials are mostly metals, and not all of the metals, only 4 types, which are the iron, nickel, cobalt, and by the way, the steel is a type of iron. So we just say steel because we want you to know that if the word steel is used, you will know that it will be attracted to the magnet, but it's actually a type of iron. Hannah, do you want to ask a question?
Yes.
Yes.
Miss, in the second question also, why nothing happens? It's supposed to repel.
I will tell you right now. Okay? Habiba.
Miss, I got confused.
With the same question?
Yes.
Okay. Let me tell you guys. So now we have, as I told you, the magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials are iron, cobalt, nickel, and steel. Okay? So those materials, if they are attracted or they are approaching a magnet, they will be attracted to the magnet. Okay? So this is what magnetic materials mean. Any other thing than those magnetic materials, they will not react against the magnet at all. They will not repel and they will not attract. The only thing that will repel from the magnet is another magnet, and both poles of those magnets are the same. For example, the south pole of this magnet against the south pole of the other magnet. In this case, there is a force that will make them move away from each other. But if you have a magnet in your hand and you got a piece of plastic, for example, and you approach the piece of plastic to the magnet, will it stick? No, it will not stick. Will it repel? No, it will not repel. Nothing will happen. You can just stick them to each other. You can move them away from each other. You can put them above each other. You can do whatever with both of them. They will not attract against each other. Okay? If you're still confused, raise your hand. Habiba, no. Fairuz, did you understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
I understood.
Habiba, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Karma, did you understand? Karma?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Anyone else is still confused, guys?
Yes.
Anyone else still confused? Please raise your hand. No one is still confused? Okay. So I have good news for you guys. There's no homework today. Okay. So you are free to go, and we're done with our lesson. Do you have any question before I go?
No, Miss.
No,
No,
Miss. Thank you.
Okay, guys. See you next time, inshallah. Yeah. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.